All right, I am going to upload this mega snowflake bundle to MakerWorld. So check the description and I'll have a link to it when it's up. And I'm going to show you how to make multi-layered snowflakes using different colors in Bambu Studio. So you want to go over here to the this prepare area up in the upper left hand side of the screen, and we've got the multiple filaments loaded. We have a white, a gray, and a blue. And then I like to make sure I'm here in this little objects area, have objects selected versus global. And then right now this is our selected snowflake right here that we're going to be working with. And so I'm going to have it highlighted. I'm going to go up here and click on the paint bucket. And these are the colors. Those are coming from over here. And this here is also important. Using the tool by height range. So we're going to do the height range, make sure that's selected, and then the height range is probably going to default very thin when you open it up for the first time. So I like to bump it up just a little bit so we're grabbing a few more layers at one time. And then we're going to do some blue on here. So I'm going to actually center click on my mouse. We're going to move this over. We're going to zoom into it, and let's make this bottom layer blue. So I've selected blue, come down here, and you can see how these white guidelines are developing. Put it at the very bottom, click, and that's changed that height range, which is 1.88 millimeters. Let's go a little bit smaller on that. So we want a blue bottom, and the middle I want to make white. Let's make that white. So kind of go to the very bottom of the transition, and I'm going to click. Awesome. And for the top, let's go with the silver color, the silver gray. And again, I could just do here, the very top, but usually when I add it, I want to add a little bit of thickness to it. So we're going to do that. So zooming back out, we have this snowflake, blue, white, gray. However, I want you to let's take a peek at the bottom. The bottom is still silver. Instead of doing a layer change on that first layer, I'm going to go ahead and turn the bottom blue as well. So I'm going to click the blue. And just over here on the bottom, I'm going to click on that. And then we'll flip it around. So yeah. So now this one is ready to slice and print. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thank you.